Have you ever seen a helicopter flying high in the sky, spinning its blades and gracefully maneuvering through the air? Helicopters are fascinating flying machines that can do things other aircraft cannot. In this video, we will explore the exciting world of helicopters and discover their unique capabilities. Unlike airplanes that require a runway for takeoff and landing, helicopters can take off and land vertically. They achieve this by using their main rotor, a large spinning blade located on top, to generate lift and propel themselves into the air. The main rotor allows helicopters to hover in one place or fly in any direction, making them incredibly versatile. One of the most distinctive features of a helicopter is its tail rotor. The tail rotor, located at the tail end of the aircraft, counters the torque produced by the main rotor. This keeps the helicopter stable and prevents it from spinning in the opposite direction. The pilot controls the direction and altitude of the helicopter using the main rotor and the tail rotor. Helicopters have a wide range of uses and play vital roles in various industries. They are often used for medical emergencies, quickly transporting patients to hospitals. They are also employed in search and rescue missions, helping to locate and rescue people in challenging terrain or inaccessible areas. Additionally, helicopters are commonly seen in military operations, providing transportation, reconnaissance, and aerial support. Inside a helicopter, you will find a cockpit where the pilot sits and operates the aircraft. The cockpit is filled with instruments and controls that allow the pilot to navigate, communicate, and control the helicopter's movements. Some helicopters have additional seating compartments for passengers or cargo. Helicopters come in different sizes and designs, depending on their intended use. Some are small and agile, while others are large and powerful. They can have various features such as retractable landing gear, advanced navigation systems, and even mounted cameras for aerial photography or filming. Safety is a crucial aspect of helicopter operations. Highly skilled pilots receive extensive training to handle different flight situations and emergency procedures. Regular maintenance and inspections ensure that helicopters are in optimal condition for safe flights. In conclusion, helicopters are remarkable flying machines that defy gravity and offer unique capabilities. Their ability to take off vertically, hover in place, and fly in any direction makes them indispensable in various fields. From life-saving missions to military operations, helicopters continue to play a vital role in our society. So, the next time you see a helicopter soaring through the sky, remember the incredible technology and skills that make it all possible.